Withdraw na tayo. Testing. GCash.
Daddy, where's the card? Where's the card? Card!
Hanapin mo dyan. Withdrawing. So ayun, check ko muna kung nag-successful na ba yung ating withdraw. So ayun, successful withdrawal. O yung gusto mag-try nito, nandyan lang sa comment section yung link nito.